Guys, today we're going to talk about a question I literally hear every day. What kind of computer do you need to do automated trading? Because some people think that to run algorithmic trading on your personal computer, you need a machine like the ones at NASA. So that the charts fly, the advisors whisper, and the quotes move at the speed of light. But guys, relax, it's much simpler than that. In reality, automated trading doesn't require powerful hardware. You can use any decent personal computer or laptop. That runs on Windows, macOS, or even Linux. The main thing is a stable internet connection and adequate RAM. About 4 or 8 gigabytes will be more than enough. Trading doesn't render 3D graphics or calculate molecular physics. It simply processes numbers and sends orders to the broker server. If your computer isn't older than the dinosaurs, then it's perfectly suitable. However, guys, pay attention. No one has been trading directly on their personal computer for a long time now. A virtual private server is used for this purpose. That's where the MetaTrader platform and all your advisors run around the clock. It works like a remote desktop where you install the MetaTrader 5 platform, your expert advisors, and use your personal home computer only to access the remote desktop, which is called a virtual private server. Why is a VPS so important? Because it doesn't shut down, freeze, or lose internet connection, unlike your laptop, which you might accidentally close or, God forbid, drop into your coffee. You simply connect to the VPS via remote desktop and all your trading happens right there on your super reliable server, which won't interfere with your trading or disrupt your automated trading. Meanwhile, your computer just becomes a monitor for access. In other words, you use your personal computer to log into the remote desktop, and that's where all the magic of automated trading happens. So, guys, we're now on my computer. And as I said in my video, it doesn't matter how powerful it is. It can be any machine running macOS, Windows, or Linux. The most important thing is that you have internet access and at least enough RAM for the computer to work somehow at all. Next, we have a special client. It's called Remote Desktop Connection. This is a Windows-based system. If you're on macOS, the client for accessing a WPS server is called something a bit different. And through this client, we connect to a remote desktop, which can already be quite powerful and capable, but you don't buy it, you rent it, paying, for example, 20 euros or $20 a month. Here, you have a trading platform installed. In this particular case, is Trader 5, where the expert advisor is running. Here is the history, for example. It's making money for us. This is our trade log. This is one platform, this is another platform, and this is a third platform. So trading is happening on all these platforms, and this trading is being done on the remote desktop. Now I'll minimize these platforms, and you'll see that this desktop is just a regular Windows system. It's as if I'm actually on a computer, but this computer is located several thousand kilometers away from me because the data center where the cloud storage and my remote desktop are located is in Germany, while I'm in Slovakia. That's about 1,000 kilometers away. And this is the Windows system on the remote desktop where 3 platforms are installed, and I access this system through a special client. And here is my regular computer. I'm sitting in Slovakia, and just like that, I log into Germany on a remote desktop that runs around the clock without interruptions with a stable internet connection. Here, you can choose different parameters for performance. You can set up several platforms, 1, 2, 3, even 5 platforms. It all depends on the performance. As for the remote desktop itself, this virtual private server, I will have a separate video closer to the end of the course on automated trading, where I will explain which remote desktops are best suited for you. But this video that we're in right now is about one simple thing I want to tell you. It really doesn't matter how powerful or advanced your personal computer at home is. the main thing, the most important thing, is that you have internet access. With internet access, you can rent a remote desktop, any powerful machine you need, for about $25 a month, and then trade automatically on it. That's the main point of this video.